I am a drawing masterian and I believe that art is the refreshment of life.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is everything.
I am a drawing masterian. I believe art is love.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe that art is life.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is peace.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is an creativity world.
I am a drawing masterian. I believe art is life.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is unique.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is love.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is the best way to express our feelings.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is expressions.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is life.
I am a drawing masterian and art is spirituality for me.
I am a drawing masterian. I believe art is soul.
I am a drawing masterian. For me, drawing is just like meditation.
I am a member of Drawing Mastery and I believe art is a beautiful journey.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is life.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is freedom.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is expression.
I am a drawing masterian. For me, art is a way to connect deeply with self.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is freedom.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is life.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe that art is peace of mind.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is a goddess gift.
I am a drawing masterian and art is inspiration for me.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is a feeling.
I am a drawing masterian. I believe art is happiness.
I am drawing masterian. I believe art is an emotion.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is message.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is a fashion dream.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is my life.
I am a drawing masterian. I believe art is pleasure.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe that art is a very strong feeling of your heart. I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is way of expression.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe that art is an escape and also an emotion.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe that art is worship.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is heart.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is happiness.
I am proud to be a drawing masterian and art is passion for me.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is expresses our inner life.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is love.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is medicine of happiness.
I am art masterian. Art for me is my passion.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is peace.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is everything.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is peace.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is express our feelings.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is my source of energy.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is everything.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is emotion.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is happiness.
I am a drawing masterian and for me, drawing is the reality of my life.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is a comfort.
I am drawing masterian. I believe art is meditation.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is inner peace.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is meditation.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is peace and purity.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is a worship.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is detoxifier.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is fun.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is a journey.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is freedom, art is life, everything is art.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is holy.
I am drawing masterian and I believe art is immortal and endless.
I am a drawing masterian and I believe that art is an inner satisfaction. I am a drawing masterian and I believe art is nature.
I am a drawing masterian. I believe art is vibe.
I am a drawing masterian and I feel art is the journey of a free soul.
I am a drawing masterian. I believe art is a way of trying something new.
I am a drawing masterian and I feel that art is a
liberty to express myself.
I am drawing master and I believe art is a therapy.
I am a drawing master and I believe that art is a way of expressing our true self.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is the beauty of internal expression.
I am a drawing master. I believe art is a freedom, art is life.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is meditation.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is a passion.
I am drawing master and I believe art is my happiness.
I am a drawing master and I believe that art is an expression for me.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is the pursuit.
I am a drawing master. I believe art is my religion.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is life.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is the freedom of soul.
I am a drawing master and art is a feeling.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is a emotion.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is peace of mind.
I am drawing master and I believe art speaks language of heart.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is expression of thoughts.
I am drawing master and I believe art is a meditation in these busy and stressful days.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is love.
I am a drawing master and I believe that art is endless.
I am drawing master and I believe art is true life.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is an energy.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is everywhere.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is a goal.
I am drawing master and I believe that art is a moment in which I find myself.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is power.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is my emotion.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is passion.
Hello, I am drawing master and art is meditation.
I am drawing master and I believe drawing is freedom and everything.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is emotions.
I am a drawing master and I feel the art is the way to survive.
I am a drawing master and I believe that art is the real you.
I am a drawing master and I believe art is a big bang.
We are drawing master and I believe art is freedom.